Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to generate 2D drawings using OpenArt AI in 2025. So whether it is sketches or anime style art or any kind of flat vector designs, OpenArt can turn your ideas into the polished 2D artwork. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on the official website of openart.ai. Over here, you need to first of all create your free account. With your free account, you are going to get 40 credits absolutely for free. So by default, you will be here on the home page. So click on the option of images and then select the option of create image. Now once you are inside this section, first of all you need to select your model or your character. So since we want to create the sketches, you need to select this one, or you can also scroll down and select like this one. So whichever type of sketch you want, you need to select that particular model, and after selecting it, here in this section you need to give your prompt. So you can type something like 2D line art of a cozy living room, cartoon style, clean outline, flat colors. You can also use any anime style prompt. For example, let's say if I write this anime style character, standing pose, high detail face, cell shading, white background. So you can choose any one of these. After that, click on the option of create. Over here you can select number of images per creation. So after waiting for some time, it is going to show you the results. So here you can click on the results, and if you like it, you can basically download it in your PC. As you can see, our sketch is looking very realistic. So in order to download it, click on the option of download as, and you can download it in the form of JPG or PNG. So you can also select it as vector. So now you have successfully created 2D drawing using OpenArt AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.